Welcome back to another Dennis Outdoors. We are, it's the first day of rifle season here in Missouri, so we're super excited about that. I've hunted a few times since the last video you guys saw. I didn't really see much, and when I did see stuff, I wasn't able to get anywhere close to be able to make a shot. So I didn't post any of that. But if you want, leave a comment down below, and I'll slap together those videos, and you can see. But yeah, so first day of rifle season here today, and we are actually hunting on my grandparents' land. So you guys haven't seen this property at all before, but trapping season opened up yesterday. So we're gonna hunt until about 10:30, 11 o'clock, somewhere in there, and then go set some traps around this piece of property. We won't have a lot of time to sit, but some traps is better than no traps. So I'm feeling the itch, so we gotta scratch that itch, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna hunt quite a little bit longer, so stay tuned. You'll see. If you don't see anything, you'll see me starting the trap line. So stay tuned for that. Well, it's a little bit embarrassing. I'd say that's the first time in a little while that I haven't just dropped one after I shot at him. But got shot off, so I mean that's winning. It's called hunting for a reason. But we'll give her a little bit of time to expire before we go searching for blood or anything like that. Kind of hate that. I got a little bit of brush to shoot through, but it looked like a clean shot. So, but she did not. She ran straight off like she was never hit. So we'll climb out of this tree and we'll see. So see you at the bottom. Okay, so we found her. We are gonna go back to the truck and we're gonna go gather up the stuff from the saddle first and then go to the truck, bring the truck a little closer. She just fell, probably 40 yards past the property line. So I'd like to drag her back to our side first before we do the processing part for the field dressing. So, which I think I forgot my knives in the truck anyways, but that's neither here nor there. So that's the plan. Fixing to execute. I'll see you back at her. Drag her through there.
Okay.
And then
Catch up and grab a leg.
yeah. Truck is so far.
Good. Still got some air.